My name is Zachary Walkie. This is my video assessment for the numerical calculation standard. I chose to do gravitational forces of the moon orbiting around the Earth. The blue line is the orbit of my moon, and this green one is my Earth. So my code for it, I did it in GlowScript, looks like this. So I inputted the values for my Earth and moon, positioning my Earth at the origin with its radius. I give it arbitrary green color on a trail. The moon I positioned along its distance from the Earth, its radius, and an arbitrary color blue. I inputted my constants: g, the mass of the Earth, the mass of the moon. Calculated the momentums, just mass times velocity. I gave the moon a initial velocity of negative 500, 500, 0. I calculated the r, the distance between the moon and the Earth. That's my time. I chose to use a time interval of 0.01 seconds, and my loop I chose while t is less than 500, just to make sure I got the moon to orbit all the way around the Earth. So first I put in my recalculating the distance between the moon and the Earth each time. Calculate the force of gravity, big G, times the mass of the Earth times the mass of the moon over the magnitude of r squared times r hat. We calculated the momentum of the moon and of the Earth. Each is just the initial momentum plus the force times time plus force times time. I changed the sign for each one. For the moon it's plus, for the Earth it's minus the force, just because it's the same force in opposite directions. I recalculated the position just using the momentum. I just calculated over the mass in place of velocity, and I recalculated the time, just t equals t plus dt, and that is what I did for my numerical calculation standard.